Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11. Let's follow these simple steps. First, click on the Windows 11 icon. Search for Settings and click on the Settings gear icon. Go to the Apps tab on the left side. Then click on Installed Apps. In the search bar, type 360. You will see 360 Total Security in the search results. Click on the three dots next to the application and then click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Next, click on Next. Select I do not need it. Then select the Uninstall Radio button. Click the Uninstall button again. Now check the option Delete Files in Quarantine. Also check Delete Game Booster Settings. Then click the Next button. A confirmation message will appear asking, "Do you want to remove 360?" Click Yes. And that's it. This is an easy and simple method to completely uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.